Bueno, y seguimos en la Sea Trade Cruise Global 2019 y tenemos el placer de poder entrevistar al presidente de Pullmantur, el señor Richard Vogel. Buenos días.
Buenos días.
Muy bien. Let's do the questions in Spanish and your answer in English, okay?
Excellent.
Perfect.
Or if you prefer, I answer in German.
No, German, no, I forgot German.
Okay.
Bueno, la primera pregunta es, en la actualidad la flota de Pullmantur tiene un promedio de 28 años. ¿Piensan incorporar algún barco o algún barco nuevo?
So it's true that our ships have already age where we think about what we are going to do in the future. We have some plans in mind, but we can still not talk about it. But it is sure that we are looking forward that at one point we would like to replace one or other ship. So we are currently thinking less about increasing the fleet. It is more a question of increasing the capacity.
Perfect.
As you know, we have two small ships, the Zenit and the Horizon, with 1,400 lower berths. If I, for example, would replace this ship with another one which has 2,500, then I would have the same amount of ships, but much more capacity. So this is where we are working on.
Okay, perfect. Pullmantur con el Zenit tuvo una exitosa temporada en el Río de la Plata, recordamos hace algunos años, y luego, bueno, el recorrido era un recorrido que lo hacen también Costa y MSC, y tuvo mucho éxito porque era la primera vez que se presentaba un barco tan español, ¿no? Entonces recordamos que también en aquella época existía Cruceros, que después desapareció, pero también dejó de venir Pullmantur. Entonces, ¿Pullmantur va a volver al Río de la Plata?
For the moment, we have no plans to come back to Argentina, for example. But this doesn't say that we are not thinking about it. It depends on the fleet development. It depends a little bit on the economic situation, on the global situation. We have started 3 years ago to concentrate our business on the Spanish and Spanish-speaking market. So the main market is Spain in one hand, and the other very important market is Latam. So now we have to see if we bring a ship again, a second one, for example, to the Latam market, are we able to operate that ship successful the whole year? Otherwise, we have to bring the ship in, for example, in October to Argentina and back then on March. But the crossings...
But the crossings are very expensive.
Yes, and the crossings we often were not so successful in the past.
Okay.
And for me, it is important if I bring a ship to Argentina, I am able to fill the ship out of this source market. And how are the connections? So we as I said, at the moment, no, but we have it on the screen, and we are thinking about in the long term, and this is aligned with our strategy, in the long term, what can we do more in South America?
Perfect. Esta pregunta es difícil porque la relación entre Pullmantur y Royal Caribbean siempre ha sido una relación un poco de amor o también de alejamiento. Entonces queremos saber un poco cómo es la relación con Royal Caribbean. ¿Royal Caribbean hace la operación marítima o Royal Caribbean sigue trabajando codo a codo con ustedes, dándoles barcos y ese tipo de cosas?
First of all, the relationship with the Royal Caribbean is very good. Royal Caribbean is still a shareholder from Pullmantur.
Oh, really?
You know, we have two shareholders. One shareholder is Royal Caribbean with 49% shares, and the other one is Springwater Capital. It's a private equity with 51%. And the ships we operate are owned by Royal Caribbean. So we, as Pullmantur, have chartered this ship. And for sure, if we wants not continue the charter period, we discuss for sure with Royal what kind of ships they would have available for us.
Okay.
So, and it's clear that Royal Caribbean is for us the first counterpart if we talk about fleet expansion and fleet development. So, and on the other hand, we are still a strong link to the Royal Caribbean, also via a service agreement for marine operations, deck engine, recruiting. So there is still a very strong relationship, but it is different structured than until 2016 when Royal Caribbean was 100% owner of the company.
Yes. Now it's a minor.
Now it's a minor shareholder, but it is very good to have Royal still on board because of the experience and the access to the ships.
Perfecto. Y bueno, y la otra pregunta respecto también a qué pasa con Royal Caribbean es The Empress. Will be back? ¿Va a volver a Pullmantur o se queda en Royal Caribbean?
No. I think the Empress will stay with Royal Caribbean.
Okay.
We are not discussing about the Empress. They have invested a lot of money into the Empress and the refurbishment, etc. So we also have to see if you would ask, for example, could we charter back the Empress, and based on the book value they calculate a charter rate. So we have to understand whether we are able as Pullmantur with our target group to manage a ship in that size or not. At the moment we are not thinking about the Empress. We have some other ships in mind when we talk about the replacement of the smaller ships.
Wow. That's a red notice.
Yeah, but nothing is clear at the moment, by the way.
Okay,
so nothing is decided, and therefore we are not communicating that.
No, okay.
But in the long run, we have to think about it.
Okay, perfecto. Después del suceso del Medio Oriente, ¿Pullmantur va a continuar con las rutas de Medio Oriente?
Yes. We have to say the first season in the Arabian Gulf, it was really a success for us. We were better than expected because this is always when you open a new itinerary and you look into the source market and you look how many Spaniards were traveling before to Dubai, for example. They were not so much. So it was not really a popular destination for them. But because of the cruise, because of the brand, because of Pullmantur, because of knowing Spanish speaking, including Spanish speaking tour guides.
Yes.
So we were very happy with the bookings and with load factor and with the guest satisfaction, and by the way with the onboard revenues as well. So that we anyway from the beginning said we will do it minimum 2 years. It makes no sense to try something.
Okay.
And the destination has to be developed. But currently, if nothing changed in the political situation or whatever, we can imagine to stay there for the next couple of years.
Perfect. Y bueno, y esto es más. Nosotros siempre pensamos mucho en el crew member, pensamos mucho en el tripulante y en todos los chicos que quieren ser tripulantes. Entonces, ¿qué consejo le daría el presidente de Pullmantur a quienes quieren ser tripulantes de Pullmantur?
First of all, when I talk to my crew and ask them, why are you still working with us? Why are you not working with another cruise line which has modern ships or new ships, where the crew accommodation is much more comfortable, the surrounding perhaps, and might be the salary higher. So why are you still working since 10 years with us? You know what they tell me?
No, I don't know.
This is my family. And the relationship between the crew is often more worth than a higher salary.
Yes.
And this was also surprising to me, and on the other hand it made me proud to hear that, to understand that you only could have a good life on board of the ship if you work together. There is no need to become friends, but to to have the friendly cooperation between each other. Yes, makes life much easier, because life is not always easy on board of a ship.
No.
When you have your 7 days or 6 days,
Yes.
and when you have your drills, and when you have this is not
Many things.
This is not
It's
the
very
party
difficult.
life,
It's a marine life. It's strong.
It's strong, exactly. But if you are able and willing to be part of this family, then I think, and you speak Spanish, the best what could happen is to work with us.
Yes.
And the second thing, what I always tell to young people, and not only on board of the ships, when I sometimes have a presentation at the university or something like that, stay curious.
Stay curious.
Stay curious.
Se mantengan curiosos. Muy bueno eso.
And never stop to learn.
Nunca dejen de aprender.
This is what I'm still doing. I'm 63 years old. But I'm still interested to learn. I learned a lot of things. Otherwise, I would not have been able to take over a helmet of a Spanish cruise line.
Yeah.
I'm not a native Spaniard, so I'm not a Spanish.
No. Okay.
Yeah.
But
But I wanted to learn. I wanted to understand, and I'm still learning. I still wanted to understand, and I'm still curious.
that's perfect. This is incredible.
And this is the motivation. When you stop to be curious, you will see no new things, not close to you, nor
yes.
somewhere. So,
Yes.
and this is the second part, I say.
Thank you for your time, Mr. Vogel. And,
placer.
Un placer, realmente. Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Y seguimos visitando más de la Sea Trade Cruise Shipping 2019.